they are quite spicy to let you know.
Yeah.
If you eat them fresh, they are spicy.
Hey guys! Hi guys. Today Luca and I picking peppers. We have been picking peppers like crazy. So this was last night.
I'll show them.
In the dark. You want to show them what we picked? So we have banana peppers. We have baby snacker peppers, which are super fun. Cayanettas, which I never grew these before, but I love them because we tie them up, string them and dry them, and then we make our own red pepper flakes. We might show you guys that in a video, but this is how many we got last night. We still have some more out here, so Luca and I are back at it, and I want to show you real quick the peppers.
Also, I planted these pepper plants all by myself.
It is true. I was working on, I think, the
Luffa.
beans, the loofah and the beans,
Yep.
planting them, and I came over and Luca had planted all of these beans by himself.
Peppers.
Sorry, Luca had planted all these peppers by himself. I could not believe it. You dug all the holes, you planted them. I'm so proud of you, Luca. Way to go.
I did banana peppers and a few snackers in one day, and I did cayanettas and a few more snackers in another day. Or was it just cayanettas?
That's exactly right.
Can't remember.
Yep. So here we planted some new corn. We had, what did we have at the end, Luca, originally? We took out.
I think
it was baby corn that we used.
And maybe sweet corn?
Yeah. So here you can see our drip tubing. We are still working on it. Sebastian might do a follow-up video for you guys. We were working on it and the pressure just wasn't right. And I think he figured it out. Praise the Lord. So he might show you a video on that because we can finally bury this down and get our drip working. But that was a side note. So we have corn, and then Luca planted all these peppers. They're starting to get heavy. You can see, so I've staked most of them up with bamboo stakes. I just have to, because of the rain, I have to get those and just latch them up and stake those up. So we have banana peppers, we have little yellow, orange, and red snacker peppers. We have some Escamillo peppers, and then at the end we have the cayanetta peppers. Anything I'm missing, Luca? Does that sound right?
Think so.
Okay. You did such a good job. You've taken care of these peppers so well. So we're just gonna crawl in here and look for more peppers. We have gotten the biggest banana peppers I've ever grown before. Or I should say Luca's ever grown.
I'll pick you a sample.
You gonna pick us a sample?
Oops. We keep
That's
doing
okay.
this.
So if we break it off, we give it to the chickens. Oh, look at that. It's curly, but that is a big one. Look how thick and beautiful that is. So we're gonna get picking.
Also, here's a nice red cayanetta pepper.
That's beautiful.
It's really nice red.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe, today we also might make a video, of how to,
dry them.
tie up and grind these peppers.
Let's get.
We already have some dried in the house.
Let's get picking.
Yeah.
Yay!
Oops, almost missed him. Almost missed the bowl. Also, when you pick snackers, it's okay if you pick them a little green. They might ripen in the house, so it's okay if you accidentally pick some that are a little green, or you could maybe eat some snackers green if you wanted to.
Here you guys can see they kind of hide in here. Look at.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. There we
I
go.
like to play hide and seek with you.
Don't they? They're hiding in there.
I'm gonna get some.
There. Let's see if we can see. Look, do you see any? Yep, there they are, hiding.
Mama,
It's like a jungle.
I'm gonna tell them.
So just a side note, I wanted to show you guys this over here. I planted Luffa, which is this trellising one with the yellow flowers, and the Proven Winner Suncredible. I always want to call it Suncredible sunflowers. Isn't this beautiful? It's actually trailing down here, but we cut it, I think it was yesterday. But I just love how it's mixing. It looks so beautiful. It's not pretty together. And Lucas showed me yesterday, he actually, getting caught here, he actually found there's a loofah growing. Look at that. That's so exciting.
And you found one more, I think?
I don't know. I don't think I did. Look at that. So these are actually loofah, like you can use for the shower and the bath. You can eat them, I believe, when they're young like this, but we let them grow and dry out, and then you can use them like an actual loofah. They are so cool.
I'm going into the jungle. Ooh, I found my treasures.
Did you?
Yes. Look.
Oh,
I opened up the cave for you guys.
Thanks, baby. Good job, Luca. Beautiful.
I'll go put them in the bowl. Okay. It'd help if the bowl was on this side.
We'll have to move it.
Yeah. I'm heading in. Where are you, little snidges? There you are. They are quite spicy, to let you know.
Yeah.
If you eat them fresh, they are spicy.
I don't think we've eaten them fresh because we don't usually
Yeah.
eat too spicy food or like it.
Yeah, you could use it and like put in a chili or something.
What was it?
I said I'll have to swim in there.
You diving in?
Yeah, it's like a marine in here.
You're funny. You fallen?
Yes.
Hey, Luca.
Yes.
These were just laying on the ground. Did we pick them yesterday or did they fall off?
I think they fell off in the rain.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah. Speaking of snackers, I'm gonna go pick some. Meanwhile, you can get the gross escamillo and give it to chicken. Yeah, stay on me a little bit.
How's that look, Luca? Is that yellow enough?
To me, a little off course.
No, of course.
So,
Okay, Luca, you want to show them our harvest?
yep, that's what we ended up with.
So we got quite a few cayennettas, quite a few banana peppers, and then a few of the snackers. Aren't those beautiful?
And cute.
And cute. That is so pretty. They're the real sweet, like little baby bell peppers. So I think we got most of them. Can you hold that, sweetie? Most of them we picked last night, which is a lot. So we're going to be working through all these today and processing them.
And
How
giving some,
beautiful!
and putting them in a bag to give to Nana too.
So pretty. So I'm so excited about this. Yeah, we'll be giving some away to Nana, and we'll be freezing a lot and eating a lot.
There's too much for us to just eat.
All right, thanks guys for joining us for our pepper harvest. Have a wonderful day and a blessed day. Bye.
Just real quick, I'll just tell you about a funny plant named Luffa. You could leave the flowers for decoration. Otherwise, you could eat them because I've never heard of an edible flower. That is so weird, right, Mama?
We eat flowers, Bug. You can eat the nasturtium, and you can eat pansies, and a lot of other ones, but I don't know about loofah flower. Does that sound weird to eat flowers?
Yeah.
They have a lot of really good benefits.
So, yeah, I'll tell you the colors I've already seen. I'm not sure what colored flowers there are, but there's an orange one over by the beans over there. There's a red one, and there's a pink one, I think. Or is the red the pink? Maybe, I don't know. But earlier, when we were picking the beans, I think we heard somebody making an egg announcing song like we said, right? But when we went to check for who laid the eggs, the egg boxes were empty. So I think they're trying to get the egg out, but they're still working on getting it out. Maybe they have it out by now.